Potatoes are a versatile root vegetable that comes in a variety of different colors and types. They're flexible to cook and delicious to eat. Start by choosing a good one. Fresh potatoes should be firm with no cuts or discoloration. Any blemishes on a mostly good potato are fine and can be cut away before you start cooking. Next, get it good and clean. Wash potatoes under cool water using a produce brush or a damp paper towel. Be sure to scrub and rub in all the nooks and crannies. Potatoes grow in the ground and can be dirty. Potatoes should be stored in a dark, well-ventilated location, away from excess moisture or heat. A cabinet or pantry away from the sink or warm appliances like the oven or refrigerator are ideal. If potatoes begin to sprout or develop green spots, just cut them off prior to cooking. To peel potatoes, use a safety peeler, putting firm pressure on the peeler to remove the skin using long, even cuts. Use the tip of the peeler to remove the eyes, which are firm places where the potato sprouted. Tip: when exposed to air, potatoes will oxidize and turn brown. To prevent this, submerge peeled or cut potatoes into a bowl of cool water until you're ready to use them. Potatoes don't have to be peeled. In fact, the skin of the potato has a lot of fiber and other nutrients. Baked potatoes are a great way to cook the whole potato and enjoy it. How to make a baked potato in the microwave. Step 1. Poke potato all over with a fork. Step 2. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Then flip over and microwave for another 5 minutes. How to make baked potatoes in the oven. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Step 2. Poke potatoes all over with a fork. Step 3. Place potatoes on a foil-lined baking sheet and bake for 45 to 55 minutes until soft and cooked through. Now you're a potato pro!